I have a very exciting news for you. The liberals in New York, they found a solution for all the problems in the world. Like, what's your problem exactly? Economy? You cannot pay for your kids, health insurance, gas prices, food prices, security, safety. Liberals, they are above all of this. They focus only in so important stuff. Like, it's important to the point they cannot sleep without solving this issue. So look what the Democrat they come with. They decide to replace the word mother and the word father with gender neutral terms. I don't know how stupid those people are, but I never saw really. You see, I am a migrant, came from the Middle East, and I saw a lot of stupid things. In the Middle East we have a very corrupt society, low IQ people. Yeah, we do. Everything is wrong. We blame everybody for our garbage, but I could not really believe that America have more low IQ than what we have. You guys are beating us, huh? I mean, what is the word third world mean? Nothing compared to you. You are so busy. The whole world is busy with AI technology going to Mars. China wanna go there first. America wanna control, protect their sky. Russia wanna occupy Ukraine, and Europe are afraid from their, the US Russia will attack them. Iran will occupy the Arab and the Middle East and the Gulf, and Iran is closing the Hormuz. But the Democrat, they have different galaxy. They are worried about the word mother and father. And we have to say, it's disturbing to call your father father and your mother mother. What we should call them? I mean, if we are going to change every word have a gender, I think we have to change every word we know. You liberals are the most sick, stupid, low IQ ever I can imagine. And guess what? We Christians, we will call them mother by their names. We will call them fathers, and they love it. If you hate it, this is your problem. Why you don't migrate to Gaza? Because you support Gaza. I mean, in Gaza, if you tell them what you are just saying now, man, they will treat you so good. And don't forget, if you are LGBTQ, to support Gaza by going there. Let us see what they will do to you. You people are really mentally ill. So even the word mother and father is hurting your ass. Oh, sorry, did I say ass? Is ass is a male or female? By the way, is she male or female? Man, you are scared gender, huh? I mean, those people, they have nothing in their head except vagina and penis. The whole world is busy. If you go to every country in the world, they have a lot of things to be worried about. But the liberals, they are very unique species. They focus only in one spot, either in the front or in the back. There's a guy, his name is Christian Prince, he say always, stupidity is amazing. What do you think? Isn't it? You tell me. Leave your comment. And mothers, they will be called mothers, you wicked people. And fathers will call father, you wicked people. You know why? Because you cannot change the reality. None of you can be a mother unless you are a female. And none of you can be a father unless you are a male. And it doesn't matter what you try to say and to speak about, you cannot change facts. The same as the sun come every day from the east, you cannot change the gender of the sun, say the sun is genderless. It doesn't matter for the sun what you call it, the sun is still the sun. It doesn't matter what you call the moon. You call it male or female. The moon is still the moon. And same for the male. The male will be always a male, and the female will be always a female. And the mother is going to be always a female. You are just a bunch of wicked, mentally ill. Leave your comment and tell me what do you think. And don't sugarcoat things. Say it as it is. Tell the wicked, wicked by their names. See ya.